Hello guys, this is fairbinaryoptions.com, and today being Saturday the 13th of September, I would like to look at the US dollar Japanese yen and establish a trading plan for next week. As you very well know, next week is an extremely important one in the sense that we will have the Federal Open Market Committee statement followed by Federal Reserve's economic projections, and moving on with the chairwoman Yellen speaking in front of the press representatives and explaining the forward guidance and the monetary policy for the days to come and for the period to come, probably for the whole 2014. Now, whenever a central bank is speaking, you know that the markets are dancing. It means that a lot of movement, a lot of volatility. We have the US dollar Japanese yen here at 6 years high and moving higher. And I would say it is still going to move higher in preparation for the Fed. Probably Monday and Tuesday will have only a move in anticipation, or maybe even a small correction for the US dollar Japanese yen here. But with the actual release, I expect a spike. However, what kind of a spike and how this market should look like? I would say that the whole move on the US dollar Japanese yen starts from this moment of time. Let me put this one here. So from here to be something like A, B, and C. So from this moment of time. So from this moment of time in a B wave of a bigger degree, like this. And then make it of a bigger degree, of course. And this to be a first wave to the upside of a lower degree. But this first wave, take a look at the structure of it all the way, right? All the way from the moment it starts to here, there is no impulsive move. So this is clearly a corrective wave. Well, if this is a corrective wave and the first wave, it means that we are looking for a terminal impulsive move that ended here with the second wave, with the contracting triangle, probably part of a complex correction, so 1 and 2, and now we're looking for the third wave. But attention, in a terminal impulsive move, the most time consuming, sorry for that, so in the terminal impulsive move, the most time consuming is actually the second wave, and the third wave relates with almost or around 61.8 when compared with the whole previous wave. So our next move in analyzing these markets will be to take 61.8 out of this whole move and project it by the moment that the second wave ended, and therefore, so this would be 61.8. Let's make it a bit bigger, and therefore taking this one and projecting by the moment that the second wave ended, and the second wave ends here. As you can see, this is a triangle with something like A, B, C, D, E, and the move higher. So from this moment of time, taking 61.8 out of the previous wave, and we'll have a value of 108.13. So what to do heading into next week with the FOMC? Well, we have two beautiful setups. First of all, we'll go and buy call options with end of week expiration date at the opening on Monday, and then we would like to buy put options on a move above 108.13. This put options should be as an investment bigger than the first one, as most likely here we need a fourth wave, but remember, still a corrective wave, but a fourth wave to travel something around this level here as well, something around the 105.50 area for a change. So we'll look for a spike, and then for market to hesitate here, something like 100 pips more higher, and then to hesitate here, and ideally at the end of next week on Friday, price will be into this territory, and both options will expire in the money. But for the sake of this analysis, let's write the plan. So our plan is looking to buy. So number one, the first step, looking to buy call options at the opening on Monday, and then buying put options by the time price reaches 108 point, let's say 108.10 area, with end of for both options, end of week expiration date. Well, that's the plan. That's the US dollar Japanese yen. That's the FOMC that's going to hit the markets. And that is the end of our analysis here. Thank you very much for being here. FairBinary.options.com. Make sure you check our Fair Binary Options website. Make sure you check our Binary Options Academy. All the projects and technical analysis what we have there are all for you. Bye bye.